another boyfriend? Do I have a new boyfriend? Am I dating somebody super exclusively? What is up, you guys? My hair looks crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna wear my hair straight, side part, middle part. So right now that's why it looks like so bulky and just like crazy, because I don't know what I'm doing with my hair right now. But I'm not in a rush to do it because I honestly don't have anywhere to go. So yeah, I'm just in the house chilling. Lately I've been coming on camera a lot with no makeup on, and honestly I just been feeling like super good. Like, I don't know why. I don't know. I just been feeling really confident coming on camera looking busted. Like, so that's just that. But I wanted to come here because I got, if I can lift it, because my freaking delivery man destroyed my package. My delivery man literally screwed this package up. Like, the box was literally ripped open. I'm like, did somebody go through the box? Like, like I said, I got this huge package from Adidas, and I want to thank Magic Links and Adidas for hooking your girl up with some new pieces from the Pharrell collection that he has with Adidas. So I'm excited to show you guys some of this stuff, but let me show you how big the box is. So this is the box, and it's literally beat up. Like, do you see how horrible this box is? It's like all just disheveled. In the box, I just got some of his new kicks. So his brand is called, or like his line that he has with Adidas is called Human Race, and the stuff on there is very fire. It's basically like high quality basics. So I just got a pair of his sneakers that he has with them, and it's just these white Adidas. They look kind of like shell tops, but they're not. They're like more netted. They have this Adidas tag right here. It also says Human Race on the back, which is really cute. The shoes are just dope. I love how stretchy and airy these shoes are. I love the freaking shoestrings. These shoes are really good, I feel like, definitely for the summer, because they are very airy. And they're just like basic sneakers, but they are fire at the same exact time. So, wow. So, I was blessed with the gray Human Race sweatpants. I'm going to show you guys these. And these are just really cute, really fire. The detail, they have Adidas right here on the butt. It has like the Adidas logo on the butt, and then it has two pockets in the back. These sweatpants are very high quality, and I have them also in black, which I'm gonna show you guys. So, and by the way, all the clothes are a size small. So yeah, it was unisex, so I got everything in a size small. But yeah, these are the same exact sweatpants. Then I have this Human Race hoodie, which is really cute. It's just a simple black hoodie. The pocket in the front, basic black hoodie, but it's super high quality. And then I just have two t-shirts from the brand as well. Yeah, so this one is just a gray t-shirt, and it just says Human Race right here, which is really cute. And this is also in a size small. And then another Human Race t-shirt in like this earth like brown type of color. And yeah, so all the stuff that I just showed you guys is going to be linked down below. Make sure you check out some of this stuff. I really think it's dope quality stuff. If you're looking for, whether you're a guy or girl, looking for like some cute high quality basics, it's just like, you know, chill, get a cute little relaxed look out of it, this is definitely where you should go get some cute like high quality basics. And then if you want to, you know, match with your man, you can both pick up some of this. So yeah, thank you again, Magic Links and Adidas, for blessing your girl with these popping pieces. So yeah. So enough of me looking crazy. I'm gonna get on with the rest of my day. I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that came in the mail today. I have a few more things that came in the mail, but I'll probably show you that later on in the video. But yeah, everything that I just showed you from this portion will be linked down below. So it's the next day, and after I showed you those clothes, I went to sleep. So hopefully this video goes up today, the day that I'm filming it, which is today. But it's mad gloomy outside. I was supposed to do a bunch of other stuff, but it's so gloomy. But I got some stuff in the mail, and I wanted to show you guys. So yesterday I got some stuff in the mail. Obviously I showed you the Adidas stuff that I got from the beautiful Magic Links and Adidas. Again, shout out to them. But then I got some other stuff. I got some more Skims. I don't know if you guys watched my last vlog. If you did, then you know that I said I was gonna buy some more of those Fits Everybody bodysuits. So I picked up 2 more of those. I'm gonna show you guys those. And then I picked up some face masks. So I just picked up, I lost my black Skims face mask. I don't know what I did with it. So I just picked up another one, but I picked it up in sienna. And I picked it up in black, of course, because black is obviously my favorite color. I'm a black girl. So, you know, gotta represent for the black girl. So I got a black, another black mask from the Skims mask. I actually really like the Skims mask. Like, I love everything Skims. I'm sorry, at this point, like, Skims is just me. Skims just, we are just here. Like, thanks. So then I got another Fits Everybody bodysuit, but I got it in black. Because again, black is my favorite color. So I got it in black. You guys know what it looks like on me. If you don't know what it looks like on me, click the link down below to my last vlog and you can see the brown bodysuit that I had on that vlog is the same exact bodysuit as this one. So I got it in black. And then I also got it in Miso's trying to make her way in the camera. And I also got it in sienna. So I got like the mask. You get it. You see where I'm going. So I got these leggings from this brand called My Outfit Online. I think it was Aaliyah's face, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe it was, yeah, I think it was her. But she had on like these black leggings. No, she had on these gray leggings. That's what it is. She had on both. I don't know, y'all. My memory is not there. But I don't know, whatever. But I saw her with these leggings on, and I'm like, I've been wearing like a lot of like Naked Wardrobe leggings, and like Naked Wardrobe, their leggings are good, but they don't last. Like, I'm being honestly, their leggings literally don't last, and for the price, they just don't last like that long. Like, I don't know, they just don't last. So I was like, I'm gonna try out these ones. I think they're around the same exact price. Price Naked Wardrobe, not really sure. Can't remember the exact price. Again, I'll link everything down below. But I picked up these leggings and I got them in a size large. They are kind of long on like my torso area, so they're a little bit long. But they fit really, really, really nice. Lately, I've been buying everything in like mediums and smalls. Y'all, up being skinny. Like, she's getting skinny, girl. But so lately I've been buying like a lot of stuff in like mediums and like smalls or whatever. I'm the girl that, like, you know how the real small girls be like, oh my god, the big girl's always buying all the small sizes. She the big girl. Yeah, so I got these black leggings from My Outfit Online. I probably tried them on the video. Should I try them on? No, because I don't have any rolls on and it just won't work. I got the gray ones because on my last vlog I had like a, what was it, like a gray Skims bodysuit. So I got this to wear, these gray leggings to wear that gray Skims bodysuit. So got these leggings. You can tell, but this is how they look. They look that on. I love them because I feel like they like sculpt you a little bit. Don't mind my little pudge right now. But yeah, these are the leggings in gray. Like I did say, they are super long. Like, they come all the way up here. But I mean, I can like scratch them down a little bit. I definitely feel like they are very high quality. The only thing I can say is they don't have a lot of stretch in them, especially like the Naked Wardrobe ones. The Naked Wardrobe ones are more like they have stretch, but they fit you, whereas these ones don't have that much stretch. So definitely recommend ordering your actual size. Don't size down. If I would have sized down, I would have smashed my butt. So yeah. Okay, so I also got this dress from like Mistress Rocks. I'll pop a picture on the screen. But this dress has always been sold out on their freaking website. Like, every time I go in there, it's always sold out. So randomly I went on the site and I saw the dress, and it was, I think they had like size larges and like mediums. They had all the sizes in it randomly. I literally signed up for the notification, never got notified. And then randomly I just went on the site and I saw it and I'm like, oh, okay, it's on here, so I ordered it. And the person who alters all my clothes, she's always telling me like, no, stop buying larges, stop buying larges. But here's the reason why I buy larges. Because I have hips. Like, my waist is a little bit smaller, but I have hips. So if I buy a medium, it'll fit like probably my waist, or even if I buy a small, it'll probably fit my waist, but my boobs and my hips will like stretch the button, so it just won't fit right. So I have to buy the large and then take it to get taken in. So that's what I did with this dress, and it looks like, as you can see, like even just from like it being on like the hanger, you can tell like the waist is way more smaller. But I did get a large, so if you're my size or like my measurements and like you're looking to get like this type of dress from like House of CB, they sell their Mistress Rocks on their House of CB website. buy the large and get it taken in. If you have like a smaller waist, buy the large, get it taken in, or buy the bigger size and just get it taken in. My signatures, literally, she didn't touch the breast area, she didn't touch the hip area, literally she only touched the freaking waist, and it's snatched. But she's always like, don't buy large anymore. But I'm like, girl, I have hips, I have to. The thing that I want to show you guys is I got these sandals. A friend of mine's got me these for my birthday. So yeah, so I want to show you guys these. These are like the go-to standard, like classic shoe for like the everyday like girl that's like, you know, simple but like, you know, wants to have a little bit of cuteness in it. So I got these, well, my friend got me these black Hermes sandals, and they're really cute. I love the box and everything, but these are really cute. They're super comfortable. Only thing is I do have a wide foot, so it's kind of little like constricting a little bit, but they feel so good. So much so, those ones right there are size 39, but they were a little bit constricting. So my friend got me another pair of the same exact shoes, just in a different color, because I really like these shoes and I feel like they just go with anything. So I'm gonna open it on camera. My god, it's an unboxing. So it's an unboxing. So it literally just comes in, when you order it online, it literally just comes in this box. Like, this box looks so simple, but it says that on the inside. It has like this little thing right there, and then it just has, I believe this is like your receipt and stuff like that. I can't remember, I don't know. Yeah, but you just take that out and put that over there, and then you just untie it, and then there is your shoes. Your shoes are gonna come in this duster bag. So yeah, and these are the white ones. So I got the white ones too, and these are so cute. But I got these ones, I said to get them in the 39 and a half instead of a 39, just to give me a little bit more room. But these are really cute. Like, these are them. I love these sandals. Can you guys see them? Let me take this out. You can see them, but they're just a simple, basic, classic shoe that I feel like is really good for the summer, spring, to just like throw on, and even like early fall, like just like have. I wear my black ones, but like a black Skims bodysuit, not the Fit Everybody bodysuit, but I wear with a black Skims bodysuit. Oh, my makeup is in the background. That is so ghetto. A black Skims bodysuit and some like mom jeans, and I had on like this oversized sweater, and I just had these sandals on, and it looks so cute. I have like my crossover purse. It just looks really cute, really classy, straight to the point. It wasn't doing too much. So I really like these shoes, and I really think like anybody who needs like a cute, simple sandal, these are probably these could probably be your go-to sandals now. And I'm thinking about actually buying myself, if one of my friends don't buy it for me, buy myself the brown ones, just because like they're really cute. So that's that. That's really all I wanted to show you guys for now. I'm actually about to paint a little bit, so I'll probably let you guys see me do that. I haven't painted in a while, but I've been like really down lately, and the last time I painted was when I painted that picture up there for my beauty room. But like I said, I've been really down lately. Well, not really down. I'm feeling better because obviously my friend got me some flowers. I don't know if you guys can see them. My background is junky. Let's start there. But my friend got me some flowers. So I felt a little bit better after that. But so just in general, like I've been like a little bit down. Been trying to get myself back up. But I've been feeling better. So, but the other day I was like super down. So yeah. So I'm just probably gonna paint a little bit. There's not really much to do today, so I'll probably paint and just chill. So I'll probably just pick up the camera again. Lisa's right here. She's very irritated. Mies, why are you so mad? Hey, mom, have a kiss. Mom, have a kiss, please. Thank you. She's irritated for whatever reason. I think because I yelled at her, because they were fighting, and I'm like, no fighting. So I'm talking too much. Let me go and set up my painting stuff or whatever, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so I covered the canvas as good as I could. I definitely think that it's gonna need another coat, so I'm probably gonna let this dry all day. So you probably won't see you most likely won't see the end result in this video, but and then I'll do the edges later on. And I want to talk to you guys real fast because I feel like we're always having like serious talks in the video, but this is gonna be the last serious talk for the year. While it's drying, I want to talk to you guys because I posted a video, what was it, last week, whatever, my last video, obviously. If you didn't watch, you can watch it. But I basically said in the title, like, oh, I'm like tired of being like single, whatever it is. And then I said in the video, like, oh, I'm so tired of being single. Like, I like being somebody's girlfriend, da da da. And I was getting DMs, like, which is the weirdest shit ever. I don't know if I should put them on the screen and like expose the person or the people. I don't know. Maybe when editing Tianna will do it. I don't know. But I was getting like mad DMs from like people that don't even know me personally. And they're like, oh my God, you're so desperate to be in a relationship. Da da da. Try to stay single for a little bit. Like, you're young, stay single. And y'all, I'm not saying that I'm going to try to go get in a relationship tomorrow. Like, I'm not saying that, oh, I have a new boyfriend or this and the third. Like, and even if I did have a new boyfriend, that shouldn't bother y'all because it's not y'all life. But I don't have a new boyfriend. Like, I don't know what to tell y'all. I don't have a new boyfriend. I just said I hate being single. Like, I love the fact of like being in a relationship. I like that. Like, yes, I can be alone. I'm a loner, so I'm good at being alone, and I'm, you know, whatever. I'm not rushing into anything or nothing like that. But like, some people were like literally, like I said, like telling me like, oh, you need to be single for a little bit. Like, you need to experience life without being in a relationship. Like, bro, like, I am, but I'm just saying, like, I like being in a relationship. I feel like you can't express yourself without somebody feeling like they have to say something back or like say something that's like against what you're saying. Like, people in this world nowadays, like, they always have to feel like they have to say something that's against like what you're saying, or like find a problem in like what you're saying. Like I said, it's not like I'm saying I'm getting in a relationship tomorrow, but I just said I like being in a relationship. I like having somebody to talk to. I like having somebody to be like, like do all that shit with. Like, I like that. Like, but I'm not in a relationship. If I was, I probably, like I said, I probably still wouldn't say anything, but I'm telling you right now, I'm not. But even if I was, I wouldn't say anything. Just, I don't feel the need to. But yeah, don't be in my DMs trying to tell me what to do in my life. It's mad annoying. Like, I feel like giving me advice is one thing, but like literally trying to tell me like, you need to do this, you need to do that. Like, bro, I'm experiencing life. I've been traveling literally every other week. I've been doing, like, I've been having fun, meeting people and stuff like that or whatever. I'm not in a relationship. I'm not trying to be in a relationship. I just said I like being in a relationship. I hate being single. I like being somebody's girlfriend. That's all I said. So yeah, that's that on that. So do I have another boyfriend? Do I have a new boyfriend? Am I dating somebody super exclusively?
I guess we'll never know.
So I feel like this vlog is mad boring. All my vlogs are boring. But I promise you, all next week videos are gonna be lit. I promise. Because I'm supposed to be going outside. And I'm supposed to be, me and my cousin are trying to plan something to do something again. Because that's my girl. I'll see y'all in the next video. So I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob. What is you thinking? I'm dead. Oh, and I'll show you guys the finished product of this picture whenever it's done. And next time you see me, my beauty room won't be dirty. So